Hi, I'm Marshall Atkinson, and I want to challenge you in your business with a simple two-word question. What's that question? It's what if. So, what if is a super powerful phrase and question that you can use to think about new ideas. So, let's see some examples. So, what if your customers subscribed to your business instead of just selling them products and services? What if they had a subscription where every single month you've got money coming in? What could you change to build that? What if you have to get new skills? What if the way that you're doing it before just wasn't working and you have to go get and learn something, get a certification or take a class or learn something that's going to improve your product or service or ability to compete? What would you have to change there? What if what your customers value wasn't based on money? What would you change in your business? How would you change it? How would the impact be? What if you looked at your product or service differently, maybe from your customer's point of view? Instead of just you pushing things out to them, what if you challenged that notion and looked at things from the outside in? How would you do things differently? There's a big what if right there, right? What if you partnered with the competition? Everybody's struggling right now. What if you came together and did a virtual trade show, or you combined teams, or did something that made both of you better? What would you do with that? What if nobody had to travel, right? We're all kind of in lockdown mode anyway, right? So what if nobody was coming to your store anymore? How would you compete? With a website or something like that, right? So what if price was no object? So think about that for a minute. What if you worked half as hard for twice as much? What would you have to change? Well, first off, you probably need a different whole core set of customers. So how could you go after somebody new that values you more, that maybe you can increase your margin and revenue? What would you change there? What if you gave a more personalized experience? So instead of just trying to sell everything to the masses, what if it was more custom tailored to an individual customer? What would you change there? And then lastly, for this discussion, what if you didn't have employees? There's a big what if right there. What would you change? What would you outsource? How could technology help you? So these are some examples that can be found in my book, Moving Past Disaster. And I think it might help you kind of re-examine your business. Click the link below and check it out and see if it can be a major part of your new next normal. Thanks.